Hi, my name is Joe Marcantonio, Teen Librarian at Schaumburg Township District Library, and welcome to the Quaranteened Cooking Show. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a poached egg. So we'll start off with the pretty simple ingredients. All you're going to need is an egg, a mug, and a half a cup of water. You guys are going to start by putting a half a cup of water into the mug. Crack the egg into the mug. And then this is about the trickiest part of the entire process. You're going to have to play with your microwave. I recommend starting at 1 minute. Mine takes a minute and 10. That makes the perfect poached egg for me. So we're going to go ahead and cook it right now, and I'll show you the results. Alright, egg's just about ready now. Alright, so you're going to use a slotted spoon, just a spoon with holes in it. Take out your egg, make sure all the excess water goes back into the mug. I'm going to plate this with, put it on a piece of toast or whatever you're cooking, and then here you guys have it. Perfectly poached egg. Top that with a little bit of salt and pepper, and boom, breakfast is ready. Surprise your parents, surprise your friends, but don't let too many people know you know how to cook. Alright, enjoy. Thanks.